Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add Blue Willow AI art to your own private Discord server. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So first, make sure you are already in your Discord account. We know that this plus button here allows us to make a new server. If you want the new server for this, you can always click that, but if you just want to pick one of your private servers, just like in my case, you can do so. So essentially, what we need to do is to go to Blue Willow. Once we are already on it, we have to find the rookie in the list here. But since we cannot see it in here, we just have to look for the Blue Willow logo that is located on the right side corner. So we have to click it, then hit the add server, and then this allows us to choose what private server we want to use. After that, we have to click continue, scroll down, and then hit authorize. Then we have to check the I am human box, and then it is already authorized. Then you can now go back to your own private server. And then you have to click chat/imagine and type what you want to see. For example, I'm going to type here a cute cat. Blue Willow will generate the images for me in my own private server, just like what you see in here. So hope that is useful to you. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.